Hello dear friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about preheating car system installed on an old car. If you are living in Romania or maybe Siberia or other regions when during winter you have temperatures that are below zero, and more than that, you are a lunatic like myself that enjoys to drive all cars with manual choke, you will know that starting the car and waiting to warm up is a real pain in the ass. Especially if it's a real wheel drive Skoda that has the cooling circuit capacity about 12.5 liters, almost like a Russian tank. So I decided to install this ugly motherfucker in order to make everything easier. I decided to go with a car preheater that is powered by AC because it has a greater power than systems that are powered directly from the car battery. This ugly motherfucker has the power about 800 watts. Today are minus 4 degrees outside, so let's see what's the engine temperature after 12 minutes since the preheater was turned on. So water temperature has reached 40 degrees, so let's wait some more to see if the preheater can warm up the 12.5 liter cooling system. In this case, the preheater does not have a water pump, it's just heating locally the antifreeze, and with pure physics, this moves through the cooling circuit when it's heated. After another 10 minutes, the water temperature reached about 50 degrees. Of course, I wanted to find and buy an original Scandinavian preheater system for all Skodas, but this was impossible to find. So let's talk a little about the advantages and disadvantages of this ugly motherfucker. Advantages, there are some, of course. No need to start the car with the choke. Instant engine idle. Engine reach normal working temperature much faster, less fuel consumption, and of course less engine wear. Disadvantages: ugly as hell, need to find a way to adapt an external AC socket for plug and play use, something similar with the ones that are used by electrical cars, not able to warm the entire 12.5 liter cooling circuit, only engine block and local area to a maximum of 55 degrees after about 25 minutes of preheating at minus 4 degrees external temperature. Thank you for watching, and I will come back with another video regarding this.